every day, pray every day, yeah, yeah. Pray every day, read your Bible. Pray every day, and you grow, 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 and you grow, 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 and you grow, grow, grow. Read your Bible, pray every day, and you grow, grow, grow. It says that how come I'm still a short person? I'm still short. I'm not a tall one. I'm still short till now. I just want you to laugh. I'm short because I'm Asian. That's why I'm short. Asian people are short people. Whoa, short people. They don't grow anymore. They don't grow. They just stay short. That's how Asian people. So women's ministry. What you expect of women's ministry again? Voices. Some people. Some voices of women are alto, soprano, bass, tenor, like a whole choir. That's the voices of women. Because I don't see them. Some women might sound like a man. Some women might sound like some women might sound like a child. I don't like that. How can you pick up classics like I said? Some women sound like a child, you know? Yeah, that's her. Some women sound like a warrior. Some women's voice sound like a mean one. Oh, like my grandmother. We don't like that. So some women, the women's conference. I know that you're not gonna expect nothing to eat, right? Because I cannot treat you. You're far away. You want my hamburger? I can only treat you. What's this? Burger King. That's what I can afford. Burger King. Okay. Burger King. Women of grace, women of grace. Why women of grace? Because they live under the leadership of Jesus Christ. Okay, how about that? Yeah, that's why women of grace. Under the leadership of Christ, and give them a freedom to be a leader, to be a valuable women of grace. Like me, I'm a woman of grace. I'm a woman of grace. Grace Women's Conference. They're all anointed. They're all pastors, evangelists, or anything. I probably just be the only one who is a follower of Christ, and I like that. 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 How did I find all these guests and everything? I don't know. Just God just said. God just told me to tell them to come. Just tell them to come. That's what God said. So it's not my problem where they came from. They just part of the women's conference. I know I invited like about 8 of them, and I hope they're coming on the show. They're coming on the show, and it would be a very good it would be a very good show. And I don't like someone called me, why you don't want Zoom? Because I don't want people to see me on Zoom. I have a flat nose. Why should why should I show my flat nose? No, I have a flat nose. I don't want no Zoom. I like this radio because you cannot see me. All you hear is my fine voice. My fine voice, they're good. Yes, my fine voice, they're good. La 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 la. My fine voice is good. So I'd rather be on the radio. No one can hear me. And even though, like I said, they might see my tomato nose. Tomato nose. I don't like to show it. Tomato nose. Yeah, and Baby Seb is just trying to tell to the world that Jesus loves you, God loves you. My next question, these things going on in the world is crazy. It's crazy. Oh, how do I find all these women again? I don't know. Just God told me, grab them, put them in your show. There was one day I was inviting somebody on the show, right? I'm not, I'm not, I'm not popular yet. I'm not even popular. It's just beginning of a show. I call this lady like 1 o'clock in the morning at her house. Ring, ring, ring. 1 o'clock in the morning. You know what? She said she already knows me. She didn't even say hi. How you doing? She didn't say. She said what? She said what? What do you want? I said, can I invite you for my show? She said, and then I know that what? And then she said again, what? 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 I said, what? I said, what? She meant what's on it for me. I think so. I think so. You can wake up a lady at 1 o'clock in the morning. You don't know what they're doing. They probably like snoring and sleeping so good and hugging their husband. She don't want to be disturbed like that, right? They're hugging their husband, and then you all of a sudden you call, can you be my guest? He said, what? And you go, what? What? So I stopped calling that lady. I stopped calling that lady, and I just say, okay, next time, and then I stopped calling her, and then she started calling me. She started calling me. I said, so she started calling me. And you know what time she called? She called me at 5 o'clock in the morning here. So when I answered the phone, she called me 5 o'clock in the morning here. So when I answered the phone, I just say, "What?" They said, "What?" I say, "What do you want?" She said, "Are you still at the show?" Yes, but not this time, okay? I said, do you know what time is it? It's 5 o'clock in the morning, not today, not today. Oh boy, I have not called her yet, but I did not hang up phone on her. I end up like she's saying hello, hello. I just keep continuing on the phone, but I end up snoring like. Brrr, brrr, I snoring. I just ended snoring like that, but now the show is gonna begin. Another begin. Okay, so here we go, baby Steph show. Baby Steph show. So many things going on, and I think it's worth it because Lord's blessing is doing well. And anyway, don't forget my perfume. Okay, buy it in the supermarket. You better not supermarket, not supermarket. You gotta go to at least Target or Macy's to buy it. Okay, okay, not supermarket. But I'm trying to put in supermarket because supermarket is more people going there, and I think it's cheaper to go in supermarket. I was just wondering where I can put perfume in a supermarket. I probably if I put it on a food or on a fruits and vegetable, they would surely want that perfume because because it's on fruits and vegetable. They only see one perfume there, Baby Seb. Someone's gonna grab that perfume. I'm right, right? If you put it on a disinfectant or the diaper or the not the, what I'm talking about disinfectant diaper, yeah, on dishwashing liquid section they might take my perfume and then put it and then wash their hands. They might think that my perfume is a dish detergent, so I don't like that. I don't want to put my perfume in a aisle where dishwashing liquid. If you put it on the bread, not putting it on the bread. If you put in on the bread on the bakery shop, I'm sure they're going to get my perfume. They're going to get it because they only see one perfume in there, so they're gonna pick up that perfume right there on bakery. What the heck? Mask is not a lot. Is not. Is not. Is no good anymore here. We don't wear masks anymore. Wear masks and wear masks and then 6 feet distancing. We don't do that anymore. So do you know why you're getting the virus? Because you believe you're getting one. That's why you have the virus. You believe it. You live by what you believe. That's why you're getting the virus because you believe it. You believe anything that you believe, you get it because you believe it. You believe it's like a yeah. Here we go. You're scary cat. That's why you have that virus. You scary cat. Look at these homeless people around here. How come none one of them get a virus? They don't get sick. They live in a dirty place. They live in everywhere, but they don't get a virus because they're immune to it. They're immune to it. That's why you talk about it every single day. You're scared about it. That's why you're getting the virus. Because you believe it. You are patronizing Satan's business. That's virus. Yeah. You're patronizing. He likes it when you talk about his business. Virus, virus. And when you believe that you're going to die, you will die because you believe it. You said that I'm going to die soon. You said it, then you're gonna get it. You said it. Just make sure you get saved, okay? Before you die, because Jesus Christ don't wanna close that gate for you. He wants that gate to be open for you. You better get saved. Why would you say I'm dying if you can still live? I don't understand that. You don't understand. Why do you want to die? Then die. If you want to die, then die. Die. I understand that. If you want to live, then live. Live. Make a good testimony. I think. Am I on air? This is just a trial and error right here. Are you putting me on air or something? Am I on air or something? Yeah. That women's conference. Here we go. Getting ready for women's conference. Woman, pretty woman, going down the street, pretty woman, yeah, pretty woman, yeah, pretty woman, yeah, pretty woman, down the street, pretty woman, yeah, stop that, pretty woman. Okay, so now, women, Grace woman. Stop it already, okay? Grace woman. Grace woman is like so feminine, right? Grace. Read your Bible. Grace woman. Grace. Stay on grace. It's a grace period. We are now on grace period. Grace period means you're not allowed to sin, okay? You're not allowed to sin. That's a wrong belief. You're not allowed. Yeah. Just because you're under grace, you want to sin? No, that's you're under terror if you do that. You're under terror. Grace women are anointed, godly woman, grace woman. Get ready for the show and let's go run. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many people are listening today? I hope that no one can listen to me. This is just trial and error, okay? It's trial and error. Oh boy, I see an apple tree up here. An apple tree. Everything is rotten on the fruits. Cut that apple, boy. Cut that apple right there. Why you put the apple tree when all the fruits are rotten? It creates worms. Put that apple tree away. Cut it off. Cut it off. Cut down those apple trees. Man, it's disgusting. But here, Grace women, Grace women. Okay, okay. Now I have 90 seconds more before the show begins. So let's clap, 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 clap. Where is the clap? Yeah. Better. Clap, 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 clap. Clap, 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 clap. Laugh, 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 laugh. You are my robot, don't you know that? So when I say clap, 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 laugh, laugh. Let me get out of here, okay? God bless you. Let me do my show, okay? Let me do my show and get paid. It's time to get paid. Seriously, it's time to get paid. Yeah, it's time to get paid.